Hello friends, I am Suman. Welcome to my channel in Dayal Programming Academy. Today I am going to discuss about how we can update a record by creating a record variable in flows. Right? So if we want to populate the field values of a record, then we need to use this. Right? So let's see how we can do this or how we can update a record by creating a record variable. So come to our setup. Now type here flow, click on flows. So I'm going to create a new flow, right? So where I'm going to apply this is my object leave application, right? These are the fields, so I'm going to update these records, this objects record, right, by creating the flow. So now come to a flow. Because I need to provide the values for the update existing record by the new values, so I need to take a screen flow, right? So I'm using a screen flow to update the record. Here I'm using the screen first, right? So here I'm going to create a record variable, right? So click on new resource. Here I am giving a name, leave ID or leave app ID, right? Data type should be record here. Now on which object I am going to apply this? That is leave application. This is my object. Now I need to check this checkbox available for input, so I can put the values, right? So because I am updating a single record, if you want to update the multiple record, then we need to select this checkbox. So for now I am updating single record, so I am not checking this checkbox, right? I am leaving it as it is. So after doing this, just click on done. As we have created this variable, you can see here all fields are available here which are related with this object, right? So I can use easily on my screen, drag and drop. So I'm taking here employee name, I'm taking the email, and I'm taking the number of leaves, right? So no need to do any mapping here, right? We can just simple drag and drop from these fields to our screen, right? So okay, just give a name to our screen, that is update leave, right? So after doing this, just click on done button. So we have done with our screen. Now I am adding the component update record because we are going to update our record by using our flow, right? So update leave application by creating a record variable, or you can say by record variable, right? So which process you need to flow, you can choose as per your requirement. So this time I am using this. I have made video about this, you can check out there in my description box, right? So here I need to select the record because I am going to update a single record, that's why I have created the record. If we want to create a multiple record, or we want to update the multiple record, then we need to create a record collection, right? So we have created record, so we have to enter here record. This is our record variable which we have created. So select this, and we have done. Now click on save. So flow to update leave application by record variable, right? So give a name to your flow and click on save button. So our flow has been created to update a record. Now click on activate button. Right, now come to our application, just open our record. I'm going to add this flow in my detail page. Right, so I have already added this flow which I have made in my last video. So now I am showing here, I am adding here on the same page, so you can see the difference. What is the difference between this flow and how the values are populated by creating a record variable, right? So I'm going to add here, so it will be easy to understand what is the difference between these two. Now again I'm going to add this flow here, right? How this time my flow name is flow to update the leave application by record variable, right? So select this. Now check this checkbox and click on save. So this time there is no need of activation, it is already activate. So now come back to our object, just refresh once, and you can see here, if I will scroll down, so you can see this time the values of these fields are populating here itself, right? So it's easy to update by the new value. So if you want to populate this value like this in your flow, then you need to go by creating a record variable, right? So in this way we can update from here. So that is I can give the name Nilanshi here, and I'm giving gmail.com, and number of leaves I'm giving 5, right? So click on save. So you can see here our record has been updated now, right? So in this way we can use our flow to update a record by populating these values and by creating record variable. So thank you for watching my videos. I hope my videos are helping you. Thank you for your support, and thank you for watching my videos. If my videos are helping you, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.